Alrighty fellas, today we're going to take a look how to make this metallic gradient effect here in After Effects. And of course this was inspired from Omri Stegman. I hope this is how you pronounce your name. You can check out his page for some more cool animation. And for artboard size, I'm going to go with 1080 by 2080, 30 frames per second, rename it as a gradient. Let's go and right click here, go to new, we're going to create a solid, rename it as gradient. Now we're going to search for fractal noise, drag and drop it on the gradient layer. And here we're going to need to increase the contrast nice and high. Let's go to brightness, increase it to 65. Rest of the settings are pretty good. Let's go to effects and presets, search for a VR color gradient, drag it under the fractal noise. And then here we're going to increase the gradient power. I'm going to increase it to 100. Gradient blend, probably going to try it out with like 45. But you can test it with different values. And let's go to the blending mode and change it to hard light. Now let's go on. Let's search for Colorama. Drag it under the color gradient. And I'm also going to search for fast box blur. Drag it under the Colorama. And here I'm going to increase this to 28. And then let's go to the Colorama, open up the output cycle. And then here we can change up the colors. So I'm going to select the red, for example. I'm going to change this to black. And I'm going to drag the purple up to remove it. I'm going to go to the blue and change it to perp. And then I'm going to remove the blue, drag it down. I think this is pretty interesting, this color combo. I'm also going to change up the green. This is nice. And just customize it a little bit better. I think this is pretty good. And then from here, we're going to need to pre-comp the gradient layer. Right click, select pre-compose, and make sure to select move all attributes into the new composition. I'm going to rename this as shape. Click OK. And then let's go and search for a VR rotate sphere. Drag it under the shape layer. And here we're going to go to the X, Y, and Z axis and type in 318. I'm going to copy paste this value. Let's copy paste it to the X as well, and also to the Z axis. Let's also search for fastbox blur, drag it under, increase it to 12. I'm going to increase it to 17. And from here, we're going to go to the X axis, activate the stopwatch at the X, Y, and the Z axis. Let's go and bring this to the 3rd second. I'm also going to bring the work area to the 3rd second. And then I'm going to type in here 1, 1, and to the Z1 as well. So now we got like a loop animation going on. Okay, so let's go and create a new adjustment layer here. Rename it square. And let's go and search for a VR plane to sphere. Drag it on the square adjustment layer. And let's go to the scale. And you're going to need to increase the scale until it's going to stretch it. You also got the feather. Let's add a little bit more. Probably going to go with like 50. And then hit play, and now it's rolling. So that's how you make this really cool metallic gradient here in After Effects. Thanks for watching.